friends. Groucho was a young rabbit. His best friend's name was Calico. Calico was a pretty little cat. One winter morning, Calico found a big white wool ball. She meowed to call Groucho. Meow, meow. Groucho immediately ran to her. Calico showed him the wool ball and they started playing with it. Soon, Groucho got entangled in the wool and struggled to come out of it. He started crying. Calico tried to help him but was unable to set him free. Calico asked Groucho to calm down and quickly ran to get help. Help! 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 Aunt Rat was passing by. She asked Calico, "What is the matter, my dear?" Calico said, "Please help us. My friend Groucho is entangled in a wool ball." Aunt Rat said, "Do not worry. I will help you." She then went with Calico and cut the wool with her sharp teeth and set Groucho free. Calico proved that she was a true friend to Groucho. Too proud to be friends. A swan and a crane lived on the different sides of a lake. Every day they went out in search of food and returned in the evening. Their life had become very boring. To make life more interesting, the swan decided to be friends with the crane. However, the crane said, "Your legs are short and mine are long. How can we be friends?" Later, the crane realized her mistake and went to the swan's house. This time the swan refused. "I cannot be your friend because your neck is not long and straight like me." After a while, the swan decided to be the crane's friend. However, again the crane refused. So they lived alone on the different sides of the lake and they often met with the proposal to be friends. Every time they were too proud to accept it. They are still alone when they could easily become friends. The Ungrateful Snake. Once a traveler saved a snake. The sly snake tried to bite him. The traveler shouted, "Please stop. Let a wise person decide this for us." Just then, a jackal came along. The traveler asked him, "I freed the snake when she was under the stone, and now she wants to bite me. It is not fair that she bites me when I helped her, is it?" The wise jackal replied, "I don't believe you unless I see the incident repeat itself." So they went to the place where it all happened. There, the jackal said, "Lie down, snake." When the snake did so, the traveler covered her with the stone. When he was about to release her, the jackal said, "Do not lift the stone. The ungrateful one wanted to bite you, so let her free herself." Then they went away, leaving the snake under the stone. The Clever Ostrich. A proud lioness felt that only the ostrich was her equal match and made friends with her. One day she said, "Ostrich, will you come with me to catch prey?" The ostrich agreed. They saw some quails and ran after them. The lioness caught one quail, but the ostrich killed many by striking them with her claw. When the lioness saw this, she was jealous. That night, the lioness cubs noticed that the ostrich had no teeth. They went to their mother and said, "Who says she is your equal? She has no teeth." This made the lioness very proud and challenged the ostrich. "Get up and fight." The Clever Ostrich said, "Do you see an anthill there? Go to that side of the anthill and I will go to this side of it." The ostrich struck the anthill and sent the ants towards the lioness. As the lioness fought the ants, the ostrich ran away and never came back.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.